Hi, today we'll prepare a small cake made in microwave in antacid. To start we will guide you the ingredients and store 4 tablespoons of flour and egg, a tablespoon of cocoa, chocolate in cubes of the one you like the most, vanilla, 2 tablespoons of butter, a quarter teaspoon of baking powder. Well, first in the cup what is going to be added is going to be the melted butter. It's important that it's melted since it can cause lumps or not. Mix well with the rest. Later the flour will be added, then the chocolate, the vanilla and the baking powder. Once all the ingredients are in the cup, you must stir well with preferably a small spoon so that the movements inside the cup can be easy. Mix well until you see no lumps. Once you have finished, you should have something